Didn't love it. Yep. Jesus Christ.
She had tattoos. Like she had tattoos on her finger. That's a stop sign, bro? She didn't even stop. No.
Overseas, and it was very important for me to understand the technology landscape.
Laura Thomas is also with Cold Quanta. At the CIA, she says she became so concerned about the threat of quantum computing, she decided to leave. The government has had its challenges keeping up with the pace of technology. She said she wanted the chance to be on
Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. We got BG6647. Got you on camera there, buddy. Got you on camera. Is that a girl?
Yep, sure is.
Young girl.
Yep.
And I'll make sure they introduce themselves to you when they first arrive so you know who they are. But after that, you're to ignore them. Don't feel you have to feed them or let them use your restroom. These people are professionals. It's their job to take care of you. They'll be armed, but don't let that intimidate.
More like Mirajoy that Miralax helped me go. I was so backed up.
Seriously?
Coffees, prune juice,